Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect PayPal with Zoom. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals who want to start paying their Zoom subscriptions with PayPal. This is going to be short, sweet tutorial, guys. There's not a lot of steps involved, but either way, let's go ahead and get started. So first, we're going to log onto our Zoom account, and then from here, you want to click on your profile icon on the upper right hand side and then click on plans and billing. Now, once you click on plans and billing, you're going to see multiple tabs here called plan management, billing management, and payment history. Go ahead and click on billing management. And then from this tab here, you're going to see your current payment methods that are connected. Click on add backup payment method. So once you click on this tab, you're going to be redirected to this page here where you can add a credit card or debit card, connect your PayPal account, connect your Apple Pay account, or connect a Google Pay account. Click on PayPal, and with that, it's going to tell you that you'll be taken to PayPal to authorize a billing agreement, and that a pop-up is going to appear. So you want to click on this checkbox where you authorize Zoom to automatically charge your backup payment for any recurring charges that were declined on your primary payment method. So click on this checkbox and then click on Pay with PayPal. So a PayPal window is going to appear in which you would just log into PayPal and authorize PayPal to be connected with Zoom. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and connect PayPal with Zoom. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.